Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power. This protects you and the fixture. Turn off the correct breaker, then verify with a tester. Don't rely on the switch alone. Once power is confirmed off, set up a stable ladder and wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Grab the replacement bulb rated for the fixture and a screwdriver for cover removal. These steps let you move quickly into the repair with minimal risk and the right tools ready. Now you access the fixture. Remove the shade or trim carefully and keep screws labeled for reassembly. Inspect the bulb, socket, and visible wiring for discoloration, burn marks, or loose connections. That tells you if this is a simple bulb swap or a wiring issue. If the socket appears intact, use a meter to test for voltage, while power is off then on with caution, or substitute a known good bulb to confirm whether the socket is supplying power. Finish the job by replacing the faulty bulb or swapping the socket assembly if damaged. Secure all wire nuts and wrap connections with electrical tape where needed for insulation. Once reassembled, restore power at the breaker and test the light from the switch. Observe for steady illumination or unusual sounds. If you still get flicker, intermittent power, or tripped breakers, shut the circuit off again and call a licensed electrician. That indicates a deeper wiring fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.